Today I'm going to show you guys how to do an easy dirty pour, but first enjoy the intro. Hi, I'm Deidre Williams, owner of the DMW Collection, where we talk all things resin art and candle making. So the first thing I do whenever I'm starting a new pour is I lay my glass. So this kind of gives me an idea of the layout of the entire piece. So I kind of like to lay that first before I seal it. Then I start to mix my colors. I really wanted this piece to highlight pink, like a blush pink, if you will. And so you're going to see a variety of different pinks that I use, but I really wanted this lighter pink to be the centerpiece because of the stone that I have placed in the middle of the art piece. So after I get all of my colors mixed, then I start to dump them in the cup, i.e. the dirty pour. So you're seeing I pretty much have a lot of the resin already in the cup, but all I do is I pre-mix my resin, choose my colors, and then I put them all in separate cups, and I typically do a 1 cup dirty pour. That just means I'm putting all of my colors in the same cup in order to do my pour. You can do a multiple cup dirty pour. I have done it before. Those are fun and come out just as beautiful. But for this piece, I kind of liked how whenever I poured the resin, I would lift my cup up, and then when I poured the resin again from the same cup, it would give it a different effect. So here we go with our first line of this dirty pour. As you can tell, those colors are pouring beautifully. So that is exactly what I meant. I just laid one line down first, picked a different spot on the board, different direction, went ahead with a different pour, and it's all the same colors, but it's going to give you a little bit of different effects. And that's what I love so much about the 1 cup method. So this is how you can do an easy, relatively easy dirty pour on your pieces. Definitely add this to your little bank of techniques because it is super fun to do. I am now adding glitter just to kind of fancy this thing up. I am huge into glitter, so almost all of my pieces have glitter on them just because I love it so much. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you're able to add this technique to your artwork. And if you do, make sure to tag me in it. And until next time, happy creating.